In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to manually install HP Universal Print Driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the description box below. You'll be able to see a link there. I have provided you a link. Please copy it. Once you've copied it, please open your Google Chrome browser and here at the address bar, just have to press Ctrl V key in your keyboard or either make a right click and click on paste. In that way, you'll be able to paste the link that I have told you to copy. So by that, you would be navigated in this page where here you'll get to see the HP Universal Print Driver for your Windows 11. So from that, you can find here Driver Universal Print Driver. Click on it and it will show you two results. Please proceed to the first one, which is HP Universal Print Driver for Windows PCL6 and click on this download option aligning to it. Once you've clicked on it, you can now start the downloading process. So in my case, I have already downloaded this one, okay? But in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. Once done, navigate to the top right corner. You can see their download icon. Click on it, and you'll be able to see the file that you have downloaded. So please click on this folder icon to show it in folder. So from that, while selecting it, please make a right click and then click on this cut icon, okay? Once done, you can now close this window and here at the desktop, make a right click and click on paste. Now, once you have pasted a file, okay, you need to make a right click and then go with extract all or either use the WinRAR tool to extract this one. Go with extract to and kindly wait until a new file folder would be created here at the desktop. Once it's here, we will now move on to the installation. But before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. So to install, please proceed here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also use your keyboard, press Windows key and I key together. In that way or manner, you'll be able to be navigated here at the settings. So by that, please directly proceed to the left side and find for Bluetooth and devices. Click on it. Once you click on it in this section, please choose for printers and scanners. Click on it. And there you can see this option called a device. Click on that one. Once you click on it, you would be able to reveal another option where you can manually add a printer driver. Please click on it, and in a few moments, you would be able to open another window where you can find a printer by other options. So please proceed with add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and please choose among of these three USB ports. It could be one, two, or three. And if you have an HP port, you can use that as well. So click on next, click on have disk, and click on browse. So we need to proceed to the desktop where our extracted file has been saved. Scroll down, find for the extracted file, double tap, and select any of these drivers. Okay? So click on open, click on OK. And eventually you'd be able to see that one. Please choose for HP Universal Printing PCL6 version 7.7.0. Click on next and you can now rename that. So in my case, I'll be setting HP Universal Print Driver. Then click on next and you can now start the installation. Kindly wait until this would be done. Once done, click on next. And here, if you would like to set it as your default printer, you can check the box or you can uncheck it if you don't want to. So click on finished and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP Universal Print Driver in your Windows 11. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.